Snoring can be a symptom of a couple of different things. Snoring can be self-limiting, it's just snoring, it's just noise, but it can be a sign of what we call upper airway resistance syndrome or obstructive sleep apnea. And the obstructive sleep apnea is the one that we see most commonly associated with it. It's a very high risk factor for obstructive apnea. If you see 100 guys walking through the mall and all of them snore, a very high percentage of those gentlemen have obstructive sleep apnea.